Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a float down chromatic animated text on CapCut. So here you can use a video or you can use a solid background like I did. That's up to you, and then you can just start by writing your text. Okay, I'm going to just write chromatic. And after that you can change the font to the one you like. I'm going to use the Montserrat font, and after that you can just go to style and then change the style to however you like. I'm going to just use this one, the white and blue. Just click on a check icon, then go to the animation, and under the in category find the float down animation. Okay, this one. Adjust the duration to however you like. Click on a check icon and then just export the project. So after it's done, you can just open it in any project. Okay, and then add the chromatic effect that you can find on the video effect. Go to the glitch section, and here is the chromatic. Just click on that, click on a check icon. Okay, so this will be the result, but if you want you can always copy the effect to make it more dramatic. And that's it. This is your float down chromatic text. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.